Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're all well. I hope you've had a lovely weekend and you're ready for a new week of guided reading. This week we're going to be looking at a new book, but first, let's remind ourselves of our reading strategies. You can use any of these to help you with your reading. The ones I want you to focus on are your eagle eye and stretchy snakes. Your eagle eye is when you look at pictures to help with the words, and your stretchy snake is when you look at the letters in the word and you stretch the sounds out slowly and you go back and say the sounds all together. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake of our own. FunFair Fun air. You have a go for me? Good job, well done. Let's try it one more time all together. FunFair air. Good job. The book we're looking at this week is called FunFair Fun. Here is our book on Oxford Owl. Let's have a read. FunFair Fun. In this story is Cat, Tiger, Knock and the man on the stool. Cat was munching on some popcorn. She was looking for Tiger and Knock. Just then, Tiger and Knock burst from the popcorn. Cat got a fright. Tiger and Knock went up into the air. Tiger landed back in the popcorn box. Knock went up and up until he landed with a thump. He skidded along the top shelf of the stool. Knock spotted a rabbit. He got into the rabbit's pocket and hid. Tiger went back to normal. Knock is stuck up there on the shelf, said Cat. Tiger had a plan. We will have to win him back, he said. Hit a target to win, said the man. He handed Tiger some soft balls. Come on, Tiger. Tiger took aim. He let go of the ball. He did not hit the target. It was Cat's turn next. Yes, she hit the target. Cat pointed to the rabbit on the shelf. The man handed it to her. You did it! Now that I've finished reading, go all the way back to the beginning for me and have a go at reading it yourself. If you're struggling, you can rewind the video and listen to me read it again on video, or on Oxford Owl they have the play button where they will read it for you. On this week's guided reading, we are going to be doing another word search. To access the word search, all you need to do is click the link that I'll post in your portfolio. When you click the link, it will bring you to this page. You'll need to enter your name and press start. Once that has loaded, you'll need to press start again and find all the words down the side in your word search. Don't forget to send me a picture of your lovely work. Enjoy and have fun!